Good morning, everybody. On a drizzly Tuesday morning, Ace Daily starts now. There was quite a bit of sadness yesterday, and sort of want to touch base on that real quick. Though there are sad things that happen in life, I've sort of taken it upon myself not to include those types of things in my videos. I want to try to keep my videos as positive as possible. There are going to be times that I will show how sad events affect my life, but for the most part, I'm just going to do my own grieving, reflecting prayers in my own way. So it's starting to pour down rain now, and Louie's just getting started. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the sky cry, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Storm clouds coming in. Looks like it might be raining already. Looks like more rain's coming. Luckily I'm in the car because I don't want to dissolve, because sugar melts in the rain. Can I open this so I can show the rain outside to the people? No, I can't open the sky roof. Why not? It's more fun than when it's raining.
No.
You're mean.
Yep.
Driving in the rain. I'm riding. I'm not driving. She's driving in the rain. There's some interesting cloud formations. The idea was to go out for a ride with Denise, and she decided she was going to take Sierra to work. Actually, was taking Sierra to work, and I decided to tag along because I just didn't want to go driving in this stuff, and she thinks that I'm making her drive in it now, even though she's doing this anyway. So I don't see how that would work. But that's what we're doing. We're driving around. We're looking at some awesome clouds here. There's an alarm going off on Denise's phone. There's awesome clouds. And that's Steinmart. That's where you go buy your Steins at. Here's what it looks like going backwards. And then poof, it goes away. Water's leaking right there from up top. Right there. That's pretty boring, isn't it? I agree. But it's a rainy day and really don't have much else to do. So what I'm going to wind up doing is showing you something that happened on our trip. But not right away. It'll be a little bit. So stay tuned, because it's going to happen, but just not right away. Because I got to keep you online just a little bit more to show you some of the extra footage from our trip. So be patient. It'll be coming up shortly. You see that guy? He's just sitting on the back of that van. He's just sitting there. He's got good balance, just sitting there in the back window of that van. The lights are flashing on the trailer. Interesting. Whatever you do, don't look up. Oh, they're gonna get rained on. Okay, it's not funny. Denise just kicked me out of the car and making me go into Walgreens all by myself. Well, she's going through the drive-thru. She didn't want to get out and get wet, so I'm getting out and getting wet for me, not for y'all. Ooh, I'm into the shelter now. All right, I'm gonna go into Walgreens. Y'all want to see what it looks like? Do you? Bet you do. There's what it looks like. It's raining really hard, and I had to get wet. Yep, it's raining. It's about time for me to put another video in here to show y'all something we did on the trip. Are y'all ready for it? Okay, well, I'm going to put it right here. I'm here at the Charles H. Jones Gateway Park. Luckily, it looks like the water's not pumping up there. There's one neat thing I want to show y'all here. Well, this is something else I wasn't planning on, but looks like people wrote their own names in the bricks. Oh, these bricks look to be hand done. It's pretty cool. There's a statue here of Otis Redding Jr.
Otis Redding released the duet album King and Queen in 1967 with fellow Stax recording family member Carla Thomas. From that album came the top 10 hit Tramp.
There's a statue of Mr. Otis Redding here who is famous for sitting on the dock of the bay, and as you can tell, he's sitting, the statue is sitting on the dock. It's really, really neat. He died in 1967 on December 10th. His airplane went down. And his first #1 song, Sitting on the Dock of the Bay, was released 3 weeks after his death. That remains his biggest hit ever. And here he is in Macon, Georgia, and they have music of his playing in the background constantly. I think that is really neat. Only one little issue that I have with this, but I'm not going to share that with you. I'm going to see if any of y'all can figure it out. If you look here, you can see there's a pencil and some paper. And on the paper, it's got the words, "Sitting on the dock of the bay." It's really, really neat. There's also a little stage here, and that's the Ocmulgee River. We also have ourselves a butterfly friend right there. And here's what the park looks like from the stage. Thank you, Macon. Thank you very much. I hope you liked that video about the Charles H. Jones Gateway Park in Macon. It was fun spending some time down there and seeing all of the neat stuff by the waterfront. Just to let y'all know, rain or shine tomorrow, I am going over to Buc-ee's because it will be Wednesday. Just want to give you all a heads up. I will be vlogging tomorrow, and I probably will have something new for you. Who knows? We'll see. If I don't see you in the future, I'll see you in the pasture. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you.